In this video, I want to talk about how you can queue YouTube videos on your TV. Now there are three different methods, so let me quickly show you all three. So the first one is you want to use the watch later. So find the videos that you want and put it on watch later. So once you click on that, they will now go to your watch later folder. Then once you go to your library, click on watch later and just put on the first video, and then they might play the next ones. But keep in mind, for some reason, sometimes it's not gonna play the next ones. So if this doesn't work for you, then here is the best option, and that is to make a playlist. Now you need to be on your phone or your PC to make the playlist, but just create a playlist, add all the videos you want, and then on your TV you can find the playlist in your library, press play, and then it's only gonna play the videos inside of the library. Now the third option is just play a video, and then you can turn autoplay on, and then YouTube is gonna keep playing once one video is done, and it's gonna pick similar videos. So these are the three ways that you can do this, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.